This 2023 Lance Travel Trailers 2375 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 1 foot 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.